Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I am reviewing the Divoom64, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's something I've looked at many times in the past and I just haven't got around to buying, and they reached out and offered me a version for free if I did a review on it. Like with all of my reviews, whether I've bought the stuff or whether they've offered it to me for free, I will be honest, and if you're seeing this video, you know I like it, because otherwise I've sent the video back to the suppliers and they've told me that not to bother putting it out. It happens a lot more than you think, but if you're seeing this, then I pretty much like it. But let's unbox it, let's have a look at it, and let's see how cool it actually is. It will be a little bit biased because, as I say, I've wanted one of these for a long time. But yeah, anyway, before I get on, I would just like to thank my Patrons. Darren in particular, you guys have helped so much, and I really appreciate everything you've done. If you'd like to join them, all the links are in the description. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, I'm fairly excited about this one. This is from Divoom, and this is the Divoom64, or the Divoom64. And I was going to buy one of these for myself. And they literally reached out a couple of days after I was looking at their products. Now, I hadn't messaged them in any way. And they just randomly offered it to me. And I hadn't, this was completely happenstantial. But it is genuinely something I've been looking at for a while. And I'm really glad they did. So there's going to be some bias with this review, because it's something I've literally looked at for probably a good few months, actually. Maybe a bit more than that, actually. And I've got no idea how you get into it. Yeah, I'm pretty looking forward to this one. Look at that, it's a thing of beauty, isn't it? Okay, this basically is a pixel art picture frame that you can program to do whatever you want, but it's got like social media counters, crypto and stock trackers, musical visualization, and decorations of various kinds. I'd assume you have to download an app for it, but I'm not sure. Social media account, post status tracker, 64x64 mobile app programmable LED, easy pixel art and animation creation process, online pixel art gallery and users community, and daily functions, evolving mobile application. So we'll have a look into that, shall we? Okay, so it's pretty well packaged. I quite like that. It's got a bit of a ding on the edge, which is a bit sad. Just shows how badly it's been hit around in postage, but hopefully nothing inside is damaged. Well, that's lovely inside there. Look at that. That is so well packaged. It's like you're opening a sleek MacBook kind of styly. Right. This, I assume, would be all the charging stuff. Yep. Okay, look at that. That is how you do it. That is a charging lead. Look at that. They've done well there. Okay, I assume this is to hang it up. I'm assuming there's going to be some places to screw that in. So far, this is so well packaged. Now, this is I assume, American plug. I do not have that kind of socket in my country, but that's not a problem. Let's have a look at the main man now, shall we? Or main woman, we're equal rights here. God, this feels absolutely incredible. It's really, really well packaged. Too well, apparently. Nope, we're cutting it. Look at that. Okay. Let's check the Englishness. Okay, this is well written. It's in English, and it's not just copied and pasted from like Google Translate. It's actually well written. So yeah, there's the screw holes if we want to hang it from something. And it's got one at the other end. Two on one side, one on the other. We've got power on and light. So let's plug it in, shall we? And what a great power cable this is. It's the textured ones. Feels really, really nice. Very, very high quality. Compared to the ones you normally get, which are about this long. Very good. Another thing, it's not just a cheap one. It's been, well, it's been branded as well. Another thing thought out, it goes up here, and then the wire is hidden out the way, but it goes down so you can have it flat against the surface. Look at that. Get that out the light. How beautiful is that? Oh man, this is lovely. Right, let's get this comfortable and in a better position so you can see it. Okay, I'm going to read the instructions and we'll see what we need to do. Okay, I've spent a couple of minutes just making this a little bit more thumbnail ready, so hopefully we can use this as a thumbnail. It saves me time in the future. But I'm going to get on with getting the app installed now so we can actually configure it and sort it out. Okay, I've just downloaded the app, so let's have a look through it all. Starts off pretty easy. Now, I don't want to read the instructions yet on how to do it. I want to see if I can just work it out myself and go from there. Because I'm hoping it will be fairly straightforward. Yeah, okay, so let's plug this in. And always we have to make a blinking thing. Give me a second. Right, I really hate signing up to things like that, but I've done it, and so far I've had no email or anything, so good. Right, available devices, let's have a look then. Precise GPS location. Okay, it's found it pretty easy. Oh yeah, okay. Right, it's connecting to the device. Oh, and they've obviously found each other. And there we are. Oh, it wants to update the firmware. And now that's updating the firmware, obviously. While that's happening, I'm going to have some coffee. That's pretty cool. Ah, it knows me. Right, that is really cool. I love this. I think that's so cool. I'm leaving this to play through. Honestly, the quality of this is absolutely incredible. We nearly went back in time then. Okay, well, I'm going to step in here now and say that I'm loving it already, and the fact that there's so much variety is awesome. Let's see how easy the actual app is to use now I've set it up and everything. Okay, I'm going to just go into the device settings. Cool. So let's do a countdown. Set time 1 minute. That's so cool. And stop. Noise meter. Let's do this. Pretty cool. Let's go animation. Oh, so now we can make frame by frame animations, right? Okay. It's got loads of cool things. Scoreboard. How good is this? Like, you know, if you own a pub or a whatever, and you know, for whatever games, I think this is really cool. So this is not just a boy's toy kind of, you know, that kind of aesthetic. This can actually be functional and useful to people. Let's see where all the already made ones are then. Here we go. It's just incredible how fast it is as well. Like that one, just very, very quick. Oh wow. And people, it's like a little bit of a, from the looks of things, a little bit of a social media kind of aspect, because these people who make these awesome things have a following, etc. I'm just going to have a look through this all, and I will be back in a minute. Just by messing about, I've been able to find the Welcome to the Off-Grid Family page, and then it's got like view count to that one, etc. The time and everything is not set at the moment, or date. Oh, I think that's really cool. Let me just mess about for a bit longer. Okay, just 2 minutes of faffing and playing, and I got the stat counter up, it's working, and this is genuinely, it's turned from something that I wanted originally just as like a background toy to something that actually has quite a lot of use. I've gone through all of the different bits and bobs, and there are so many different things you can choose from, and the speed at which you can use it, right? Let's say we go into here and we just randomly choose something we want. We definitely want that one. Lucky that was like PG. I don't know if there is not PG ones, but there you go. Click on that. That's the one we want, yeah? Done. And it's that quick, you know. You can just choose whichever one you want. A good old Marilyn Monroe from the looks of things. A little bit more of the old goth of the van. But I seem to have come down a rabbit hole of artists. That's a pretty cool one, I like that. Anyway, but yeah, so that's a really good one. I could be here all day. It really is that quick, you know, and that simple to use. And I've only been playing with it for a couple of minutes, and it's like so intuitive, the actual the app, that you just don't need to know much about anything to be able to do it yourself. Oh dear. But yeah, no, this is something that I think you could have quite a lot of use from, you know. Whether you run a channel or whether you run like anything, this in the background of any of your videos, or as I say, it's got loads of actual apps to use, like that are useful as well. So in here, alarm clock, let's do the countdown. And I just think that's just so... Oh, do I have to say it again? Yeah. Oh. I just think that's so cool. But I'd assume you probably can change the graphics yourself. Not from this one, but doing your own. But, you know, there's so many different useful things. This here... do you know what? Let's just do it as that. Oh, the title can't be empty. Now, if you have a look at the 21st today at, let's do, in 1 minute's time. Let's see if that actually works. $12.10. I think that's really cool. And then how do we turn it off? So yeah, there's lots of different things we could do with this. You know, you could actually have this as a full-blown calendar in the house, etc. It's very useful. I love it. Oh, and another thing, you've got like access to all the different things, like you turn in the light up on it. There's loads of different settings which I haven't even bothered going through, because you can basically do anything you want on this device. And I've been looking at the I don't actually mind this being a little bit of an advertising space, right? Because a few of the things I've looked at and gone, oh, I'd like that. Oh, I'd like that. So, yeah, it does well there. But, yeah, there's lots of different things. Okay, so this, honestly, has gone from something that I thought was just going to be, like, a little bit of fun and a toy and possibly just, like, a subscription counter kind of thing to actually having quite a few different uses. I am shocked by how easy it is to use. I am genuinely surprised how intuitive it is. Like, just you click a button and it's done, and how quickly it is. You know, it's just so quick considering what it's doing. But yeah, very, very good. I will be happy to sort of point people towards this and say, you know, what you are seeing is what you are getting. It's a really, really good thing with extra options on top. You know, the reasons you will pick this up and buy this, then add to it once you've got it and you're like, oh, I could use it for that. Actually, I could use it for that too. So yeah, really, really like it. Okay, genuinely love it. This will have a place in my videos almost all the time as soon as I got the background set up, because I'm moving a bit of my room around at the moment and I'm hoping to have like a nice background area with a few different lights and various other things, and just to jazz it up a little bit. But yeah, really, really like it. You know, all the links will be in the description if you're interested. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.